Ni gong wech magidhi nyaka log tich mar okwach kich miluongo ni DCI headquarters. Jafwambo mar Walter Nyambaga ni kono obro tudore kod achiel kachiel mondo winjane ni weche magi manyien makoro timore kanyo. Lakini sani to wadonja ni weche mag siasa. Ni duond bura mar DAP-K otimo lokruok e tend duond burano kama mane en jatend bad migao mar lweny Eugene Wamalwa osidhi kako gai. Wamalwa singo mar tego DAP-K kendo menyo biro laro kom mar jatend piny Kenya yiero maduong' mabiro. Walter Nyambaga miwa ler mar wachni.
Kagitimo romo mar duond bura mar DAP-K log tich mare Chuya House Nairobi. Jagoro mar DAP-K David Eselio ketayanga ni duond burano koro sidho Eugene Wamalwa kako gai mar duond buch DAP-K kendo en ema obiro fwadho bendera mar laro content piny Kenya yiero manyien.
The Honorable Wafula Wamunyinyi, who has been the party leader, steps down from that position and assumes the position of first deputy party leader. That the Honorable Ludovic Eugene Wamalwa takes over the position of party leader and, as earlier resolved by the NEC of 14th December 2022, becomes our flag bearer and presidential candidate for 2027.
Leo nina furaha sana ya kwamba nikubali niwe kirasmi mwanachama na presidential candidate wenu wa DAP. Hongera.
Wale mmekuwa mkiniunga mkono kama kiongozi wa chama, tafadhali tubadilishe hiyo support ambayo mmekuwa mninipatia mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa.
Duond bura no konigi tiyo mano mar tego chama kagisayo jatend piny William Ruto nitemo thiro duond buche mag siasa pachoka.
Is turning Kenya from a pathway to prosperity to a killing field, killing political parties, killing the economy, killing institutions. The institution which is very important in law enforcement and the administration of justice, the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions.
I can't say without fear that there has been a lot of seduction on our part. A lot of it. Lakini tumekaa ngumu, nasema kwamba hapa ndio sisi tuko, hatubanduki.
Gilo ni duol mara IBC ok bichuogi kod Kenya kwanza. Katodoko ni Ruto lombo manajo od bura duto mondo sire lwedo.
Unless we fix the problem of electoral fraud in our country, and unless we address the issue of electoral justice in our country, then there will be no need to even vie in any election in this Republic of Kenya.
Gichapenyo wacho kuom pek man ngima ne jopiny.
Hakuna serikali nyingine imeokota ushuru kuliko serikali hii yenye ambayo iko hapa. That's why ndio tunasema mara hii tuamke ili ya kwamba tuseme tusidanganywe na mambo ya maombi. Wamesema tu wanakata tax ya subsidies. Impact yao kwa economy ni nini? Na hii pesa ambayo wanaokota hii inaenda wapi?
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.